In this video, I will quickly walk you through where to access important documentation, resources, and the assignments and assessments in MindTap in your CIS115 course in Canvas. The first thing that I want to point out is this link to MindTap student registration and login instructions. This is a document that will walk students through the process of registering for MindTap in your Canvas course. You will need to make sure that they enable pop-ups in whatever browser they are using in order for MindTap to function properly. The preferred browser for MindTap is either Firefox or Chrome. Once students enable pop-ups, they will need to either link to an existing Cengage Brain account if they've used Cengage content in the past, or they will need to create a new account. After students complete that process, they will be able to access the MindTap materials in your course. They will also be able to download a MindTap mobile app to their smartphone if they choose to do so. In the mobile app, they're able to read their textbook, access practice quizzes, and use flashcards to study. They will also receive any notification alerts that you set in MindTap. Lastly, there's information regarding Cengage tech support provided in this document for students. It is a best practice if you or your students are having difficulty with MindTap content in your CIS115 course that you click on the Cengage technical support link from within your CIS course in order to expedite a resolution to whatever issue you are experiencing. Clicking on this link will enable you to create a tech support ticket. If you choose to call into Cengage technical support instead of clicking on this link, you will be asked 3 basic questions. First, which browser you are using. Second, which operating system are you using? And third, are you on a wired or wireless connection? If you click on the link instead of calling in, all the information is pulled in on the back end, and you will not have to provide that to our Cengage tech support agent. MOS Certification Test Prep in MindTap is also available to your students for various Office applications. Moving further down into your course when we come to units, you'll see that students have access to videos in MindTap as well as reading assignments. When completing assignments in MindTap, students will be using a program called SAM, which stands for Skills Assessment Manager. SAM helps students master Microsoft Office and computer concepts essential to academic and career success by observing, practicing, and training, and then applying their skills live in the application. Students will also be able to take quizzes within SAM. SAM trainings, called guided practices in your course, teaches skills and prepares students for exams and projects. These guided practices will be completed in a simulated environment. After mastering the skill sets and the guided practices, students will complete a project called Graded Exercise live in the application and submit it in SAM inside of MindTap for automatic feedback on the actual work they completed in the Office application. At the end of each unit, there is a quiz, which is also in MindTap SAM, and this is called an exam in SAM, and this is very similar to the training. It is in a simulated environment. However, students are not able to access any of the help features that they receive in the training modes. Lastly, in the Faculty Resources section of your CIS115 course, there is a link to a MindTap course level link inside of your course. This will give you access to all of MindTap for CIS115. You'll be able to see all of the readings, all of the assignments and assessments, as well as view student progress and generate reports by clicking on this link.